Welcome to the town of Villingen. This video will give you a fascinating tour into the past of this busy town, as the almost intact city wall with its mighty defense and gate towers gives an amazing impression to every visitor. So if you have plans to visit Germany and are not sure if Villingen should be included in your itinerary, keep watching, because in this video I have put together some of the things to do in Villingen. The town is easy to reach by train. Villingen railway station is located a short walk outside the old town walls. The city offers its residents and visitors a great cultural and scenic diversity. You will discover picturesque alleys, and the residents are proud of their largely preserved medieval city wall with city gates and defensive towers surrounding the historic town center. One day is enough to explore the town. The town center is pedestrian friendly and is easy to explore on foot. Strolling through the historic town center brings excitement to every visitor with its numerous sights, beautiful half-timbered houses, and romantic alleys. The remains of many of the defensive fortifications which protected the town are still visible. This makes it an interesting highlight of the town, including the number of fountains located in different areas within the city center. The imposing towers create a beautiful background that captivates your attention. Some coffee shops and restaurants are located near the tower, where tables and chairs are set outside for the people to dine. It feels so romantic as you dine outside surrounded by colorful and charming buildings. The weekly market takes place on Münsterplatz on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Fortunately, my visit falls on a Saturday, so I'm able to witness the busy town with variety of local produce sold by the different vendors. The event is held around the Münster Cathedral. It is the main Catholic church of Villingen. It was originally dedicated to John the Baptist. The Villingen Münster contains the Nägelin's cross. The surrounding old buildings, including the Münsterbrunnen, built in 1989, combined provides a very special atmosphere and makes the weekly market interesting. Indeed, Villingen is a place where history and modernity collide. One can spend a day here walking around historic streets, visiting museums, and browsing stylish shops and cafes. Villingen continues to invite everyone to stroll through the cobbled streets of its old town, showcasing ancient buildings, towers, and city gates that whisper tales of the old times. Before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!